All right, this video is how to use a caulk gun. All right. First of all, let's say you've got some caulk in there already, or canister of it. The way you release it is by pulling this back, lifting it from the head out, and it just pops out. That plunger goes right down there. You see the plunger right there? If I squeeze this, watch what happens. The plunger moves forward. You see that? And what it's doing is it's pushing against the in there, and it's pushing the stuff out there. Now to get this thing backwards, what you got to do is, if you pull on it, it won't just come back. You got to release it by pushing right here, and then it comes all the way back. And then you want to go forward again, you just squeeze that, right? Release it, here, bam, done. Now if you got your new tube, you want to stick it in there, you just shove it in there like that. Now if you want to, and you want to make sure that it's clear on top, they give you this little thing that you can shove down in there. You know what I mean? Like this. Watch. You got to get it in there. Hopefully it goes deep enough. And then you might want to get a towel or something to clean that off with. We'll do that in a second. But let's go ahead and put our caulk in there. We're going to slide it in this way so that it sets right like that. And then all we're going to do is we're just going to squeeze. And the plunger is going to get tighter and tighter. And then you've got a little cut on this, so you got to kind of angle it. I don't want to get this on me, so I'm going to push that over. And then you just squeeze it. And then the stuff starts to come out. This might be an old thing of it. See, there's a little bit coming out, not much. So this might not be a good can that I've got, but you'll have that. You can see it dripping. Anyway, let's just wipe it down. So if you get a new one, this is an older one. This one's kind of all bound up in there, and it's probably dried out. But when you get a new one, it's going to come out good for you. But that's how you use the caulk gun. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.